Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super healthy, super light, super quick and easy chocolate ice cream made with just 3 ingredients but tastes super chocolatey and delicious. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour 2 cups of the plant-based yogurt into a powerful blender. Along with 6 of dates. And a bar of dark chocolate. Next, blend it until super smooth and creamy. Now put it into a freezer until frozen. And enjoy a super quick and easy chocolate ice cream! Thanks for watching.